A and D to move around. Do some tricks when you're off the ground. Q allows an ollie anywhere. Press E and F when you're in the air. Each trick will increase your score. E and F will give you more. But the wizard shot the fireballs. They tried to make him fall, but with a well-timed trick, it made him extra sick. And the goblins climbed the walls. They decided to join the brawl. Be careful of their axe. Do some tricks to avoid attacks. But the game is gonna end, and that is totally fine. But if the score is 30k, you will enter overtime.
Overtime. I'm Joe Carter, and this has been the History Channel.